Good evening, everyone. My name is Ana Marie de la Cruz. I am the aunt of Mark Luis Castellano. I was actually asked to answer questions regarding the positive and negative effects of religion. And to be honest, I seldom engage in this kind of topic, but given this opportunity, I am more than excited to share some of my insights about this topic based on my personal experiences. So to start with, I am born and raised in a very strict and traditional Roman Catholic teaching. So I was given five questions for each uh, positive and negative effects of religion, and we'll proceed with the positive one first. Question number one: how has your faith provided you with a sense of community and belonging? My faith has provided me with a supportive community, a community whom I shared beliefs and values with. Question number two: in what ways has your religious belief system helped you cope with difficult times or challenges in your life? During one of the most challenging experience in my life, my religious beliefs, my community per se, they offered me comfort, hope, and resilience. They actually taught me to embrace God's presence and promises in everything that I do. And during those difficult times, I held on to those teachings, and it helped me realize that whenever, whatever happens, if God is with me, I can surpass all those challenges. And it did. It actually did. Okay. Question number three. Can you describe how your religion has influenced your personal growth and development, leading to positive changes in your character or behavior? My faith through my religion has inspired me to become a better version of myself. It guides me on my everyday tasks, not only as a teacher, as a mother, but as a person as well. It has taught me valuable lessons such as compassion, empathy, and forgiveness, leading to positive changes in my character and behavior. And those changes that I've experienced, positive changes that I've experienced, it actually helped me to be somehow a role model to my younger generations, and it helped them to realize their core values or what are the things that they need to develop to be the best version of themselves. Question number four. How has your religious practice enhanced your sense of purpose, meaning, and values in life? My religious practice has given me a clear sense of direction and purpose. It has helped me to understand my values and priorities, guiding my decisions and actions. It gives me purpose and direction in a sense that by clinging into what I believe is right and truth from my religious practices, it doesn't make me be derailed with the choices, with the decisions that I made in life. And also, as to what the Bible wants us to understand, our main purpose is to spread kindness and be an example to those that surrounds us. I guess if we will be living by the teachings of the Bible through our religious practices, everyone will have a clear purpose. Okay, question number five. What positive impact has your faith had on your relationships with others, such as family, friends, or community members? My faith has strengthened my relationship with family and friends and all the people around me, because shared values and beliefs with the person or with same people you shared with same purpose, one goal, one beliefs, it always create a deeper sense of understanding and connection. And that sums up my answer for the positive effects of religion. Now let us proceed with the negative effects of religion. Question number one. Have you ever experienced any feelings of guilt, shame, or judgment related to your religious beliefs or practices? Unfortunately, yes. Since religion per se is a vast topic to discuss, there are certain people from different practices, uh, clashes, or does have different views regarding with the religious practices of each. And sometimes our beliefs does not align with what others from different religious sector does. And it actually adds up or fuel feelings of guilt, shame, or judgment from, not from me, but I guess from other people who they thought they were judged from what they believe that is different from others. Question number 2. How or has your religious affiliation ever led to conflict or tension within your family or social circles? Yes, it is. So many times before. I remember when I and my brother had a very heated conversation about certain practices from each of our religions. I mentioned a while ago that I was raised from a very strict traditional Roman Catholic teaching, and so is my with my brother. And it really saddens me that we clashed during those times because he was raised also from the setting where I came from. So it really saddens me that it shouldn't be an issue at all. Because for me, it is still your faith that will matter. Question number 3. Can you describe any instances where religious teachings or dogma have restricted your personal freedom or autonomy? Well, to be honest, there is none. Like what I've mentioned, we should be living by faith. We should all be living by faith and not by sight. And no one should be restricted from expressing what he or she believes is truth and right. Question number 4. Have you witnessed or experienced any instances or discrimination, intolerance, or prejudice based on religious beliefs? Unluckily, yes. Maybe because people have different interpretations of what the Bible's message is. Other claims that they know better, that leads to discrimination of others that they don't share similar beliefs with. And honestly, I find it very hypocrite in a sense that if you are really a true believer, you shouldn't be judging someone else's beliefs and practices, right? Question number 5, final question. In what ways has your religious belief system or the actions of religious institutions caused you emotional distress, anxiety, or suffering? Apart from the disappointment that I felt during one of my arguments with my brother, I can say that I am not too much affected from what my beliefs set apart from others. It is what I believe, and as long as it does not hurt anybody else, I will continuously live and stand by it. So there you have it. That's my insights and thoughts about the positive and negative effects of religions. I hope somehow my message, my shared experience, insights, thoughts, relate or relay with your idea on what are the positive and negative effects of religions are. So there you have it. Again, good evening everyone. Thank you for having me. It is a very great opportunity. Goodbye.
My aunt's word touched my heart deeply. To hear her speak of enduring such immense difficulty, yet holding on to her faith with such unwavering strength, filled me with awe and admiration. It showed me that even the most unexpected storm in life, the ones that leave you feeling lost and broken, can ultimately deepen your relationship with God and lead to unexpected growth. Her resilience is a powerful testament to the transformative power of faith. It's and its lesson I will cherish forever. It's more than just surviving. It's it's about emerging stronger, wiser, and closer to God, transformed by the fire of life's trial.